Hello friends, welcome to this video. In the last video, I was discussed about tools descriptions and its precaution. In this video, we will cover the introduction to robotics, the types of the robots, laws of robots, and advantages and disadvantages, and finally applications of the robot. Let's move from this world into the robotics world. In this slide, a man is shaking. In the slide, a man is shaking the hand to the robot. That means now robots are our friend. We can make and design the robots easily. Let us ask me one question. What comes in your mind first when you hear the word robot? Some of you think. Please tell me the image. Definitely, some of you are thinking about this robot. And what about this? I request don't think about this image because it looks very dangerous. But they are humanoid robots. Friends, the reason behind making the humanoid robot is where we saw the robots in movies, in serials, or any other places. But this is only the one section of robot. The field of robots is very vast. So the question comes, what is robot? Let's saw the definition. A robot is a electromechanical device that can perform tasks automatically. It may not need to be the humanoid in appearance. The meaning of mechanical is rotating of motor or other mechanical works, whereas electro means electronics. What do you all think? Is washing machine is a humanoid? Is washing machine is a robot? Just think about it. Yes, it is a robot because it have both electricity and mechanical work. We just put the clothes inside it. Now no need to rotate the turbines with our hand. It performs automatically. Let's move here. The types of robot. The first is autonomous, second one is remote control, then stationary, and then mobile control robot. These are the four basic types of robot. The first one is autonomous robot. It's a self-supporting, other words self-contained, and if they have own brain. We just programmed on it, and then it starts working automatically. The second one is remote control robot. We have remote control which can be controlled through remote, and the modern toys are of remote control. The third one is stationary robot. Wrong to say that JCB or cranes are stationary robot, because a man is sitting inside the chamber of JCB. He is controlling the JCB. JCB is moving here and there. Therefore, it is not a robot. It's only a machine. By the way, stationary robot have fixed their own position. And last, mobile control robot. As I saw a movie Holiday. A person from a region sent a robot, and he was controlling the robot from another region with the help of mobile. This type of robots are called mobile controlled robot. There are many very advantages of mobile controlled robots. Don't forget. So what next? Now there are three laws of robotics. The first one is, what is the first law? Please keep noting. Please pause the video and keep noting all the thing. A robot may not injure a human being. Friends, we made robot for making our work easier, so it should not injure us. Anyway, this is the first law. What is the second law? Second law must obeys the orders given to it by the human beings. Robot must follow our instruction, but again it may not injure us, because here we write would conflict with the first law. What is the meaning? It again may not injure us. as I taught in first law. What about third law? A robot must protect its own existence. Here also, it does not conflict the first and second law. Means again, it must follow our instruction and it may not injure a human being. So these are the three laws of robots. Now this slide, most important, applications and use. Uh, as I as we saw in this slide, a military man, or we can say soldier, army man is controlling the tanker. मतलब means robots are using in military. Robot is used for military purpose. This is a basic application. And in medical, here the field in which robotics are used, many satellites had been sent, like space robot. Many satellite has been sent till now for medical purpose. Here, this in this picture, there is a team of doctors with a humanoid robot. As you can see, this picture is from Sawai Man Singh Hospital of Jaipur. In this picture, robot is used for treatment of patients who are suffering from COVID-19 pandemic. This is the latest application, as we can see. Finally, the advantages and disadvantages. It's a very important ability to go far away from planet, because in space robot, basic application, satellite, as I taught, so it's can go far away from planet. What is the second advantage? Ability to go far down into the unknown water and mines where human cannot reach, would be crushed for discovery or for invention some new thing. The third is given to information that humans can't get, and many more. Please pause the video and write it down very clearly in your copy. It's a very important for the sake of knowledge that what are the advantages and disadvantages of robots. What is the disadvantage? Very important. A lots of people year per year lose their jobs in factories. Also, power to supply. Robot uses power. Have some. We should keep some batteries. And another is needs maintenance to keep it running. Also, cost lots of money to make or buy the robot. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.